Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and today I'm going to show you a quick video on how you can adjust the volume on your front or rear parking sensors. Now, this vehicle is a 2019 SEAT Leon, and the procedure is pretty similar across the rest of the SEAT range. And what you need to do is go into the vehicle individual setting menu. So from this home screen, which you access by pushing the top button here on this Leon, I need to drop down where it says Vehicle. Once I've selected that tab, I then go into the car's setup menu. So go into the settings, and then from there, second from the bottom, it says Parking and Maneuvering. And now, if I like to, I can run down. I'm going to select the rear volume, and then what I can do is, using the plus button, I can increase or decrease the volume accordingly. Once you've set it to your desired level, just hit the back button once, twice, and then you're able to go back into the main menu and go back to the radio. You're good to go, and that'll then be stored for you. Hope you found this helpful. Until next time, thanks for listening, thanks for watching, bye for now.